Okay, so I'm next door to the Ream unit, and I'm gonna videotape the air conditioner over here. It's running currently. It is a Goodman. I'll try to be quiet. It functions only as a straight cool unit, and it too has a silencer on it. It's a Goodman, similar to mine. This one is the same, but a 3-ton, and it's a year older than mine. This was manufactured on June 2007. Even though it's a heat pump, it functions as a straight cool unit, and I'm going to show you why. They have a wood boiler for heat and hot water, and it is right here. The Hardy outside wood burning furnace. Hot water, home heat, hot water, all that good stuff. And believe me, this thing is hot. I mean, you can't touch it, you get burned. It's manufactured 12 of 05. 120,000 BTU. It's made in It's made in Missouri. Believe me, this thing is big. And right down there's the pump. See me. Anyways, over and out.